what to do if your legs want to listen to you. Many dancers once have the same problem and once feel the legs won't use the legs for better dancer. Before going into the exercise, I would like to highly recommend my body movement course. The course includes many hours of video material divided into the chapters: body isolation, body stabilization, orange technique, beanbag technique, exercise band technique, universal spin technique, and a welcome bonus from my gym training and other exercises. Today you can buy this course at promotional price. If you have any questions, write in the comments or the following address: captainsalsa.eu. At the beginning, my exercise band, the best choice is use the black, but on video I will use the red because it will be easier for you. Okay, click, 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 click. The knee, the knee, the knee, the knee, knee, and spread, band. Click, click, and click. Always transfer your body from the edge of your legs side by side. Then do not raise the leg, just feel the knee, just spread the legs like that and feel the volume between them. This is important. Yeah, push, and now straight the legs. Then feel, first is the knee, use, look, knee, then close the leg. Then this is important, first is the heel and then straight the legs. Next you can transfer the body to your edge of your leg. If you want move, look, I want to move like that, then I feel space, volume between the leg, yeah, then I use my knee and natural movement. And natural movement, you can walk like that, feel the exercise band, just like that. First is the knee, 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 knee. Do not walk like in ballroom dance. Do not push from your leg, just use your knee. And now just walk. Do not push from your legs. This is so important. Just move, move. You see, use your knee. This is important to be more precise, to be more natural, and feel the corset here. Next, if you want to move side by side, I do not recommend movement like this, because you will lose control. Always I want to spread my legs, I want to feel the volume and space. First I'm transfer my leg as my body, then I use the knee, then I touch the floor. One more time. Transfer, knee, touch. Looks first the heel, I'm transfer my weight 50%, then I'm transfer to the edge, then my knee, then I spread the exercise gun, bend and heel, back to the beginning. Next, I transfer my weight, knee, I'm touch the floor, heel, I'm transfer 50% of your weight, and I'm transfer knee hop. At the end, I will give you the choreography for favorite footwork for a dancer. Look, da-dum, and then, yeah, da-dum, then they rotate, the movement, they, I don't know, they do something what they want, but I have this movement. It's not good because dancer forgot about the volume. Look, ta-ta. They create just the picture. First, I want bend my knee, then not the push my body. First, I want create the energy. Look, bend a bit. Now, I want to use my upper body to create power. Click, then look my elbow plus my knee. Click, 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 click. Hop, back, and I feel the volume. I feel the power from my leg. I feel like that because I can move. I feel with the body. I can move. I can change the direction like that. But now you see that you think that my knee are together. Not. See one more time. Look, bend, then the elbow, the knee in the same moment. I spread the bend and then click, hop, yeah, tap, 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 tap. Then I can, if I want to use the rotation, first the upper body, then I spread the gum, chach, upper body, chach. I don't know what you can do like that. What you want. See you next time.